Next, I will explain to you the installation tutorial of LEGO Flowers and Watering Can 31149 Customized Version Light Kit. This tutorial is divided into 3 sections to complete the installation of the light group. You can adjust the playback speed suitable for you under the software. Section A. Check the type and quantity of components. Confirm the quantity according to the label on the upper right corner of the bag. Section B. Test that each component is working properly. Please prepare 3 AAA batteries if it is necessary to use the battery case. Start the test. If you encounter any problems during the test process, please contact the seller in time. Section C. Laying out components following the instruction. Our material is very small but not fragile. Just be reminded that don't to pull the wires too hard. We will show more similar products at the end of the video. If you like it, you can go to the store to buy it. Thank you for watching. We are also happy to see any comments and suggestions. If you encounter any problems during the installation process, please contact the seller in time. The installation is complete. Connect the power and try it.